Hi everybody, Stefan here from EDC Austria, and today I want to show you the Fura M390 folding knife. The Fura M390 folding knife is the only knife of its family of high quality steel knives that uses M390, and this is, as you can see, made in sort of a chisel ground, although on both sides, but it really looks like a chisel, and it is a very small knife. Just to compare right away, if I take here another very small knife, the Reich S11, you'll see that this is far longer from the blade side, and especially just compared to a Swiss Army knife, that's the Huntsman, you see that the blade is about 3 times the size. The blade is actually 2.4 centimeters long, which is 0.94 inches, and it's 2.3 centimeters wide, which is 0.9 inches. The whole thing is made from titanium TC4 alloy, and it has a real frame lock here that's very nicely made. But it won't take you long sleuthing in the internet to find out that this is once again a copy of Fura. Somehow they can't do original designs. This one is a copy of the Curtis ODT flipper. And while the Curtis costs $295 for some weird reason for such a small knife, this one is always between $16 and $23. But if you wanna buy the Curtis, I'll put a link in the description. But this knife is not useless by any means. Due to its front being sharpened, you can use it very well to open boxes, because both these sides here will cut them open, and you can do it very precisely. And it's also nicely sharpened. It's also very nicely sharpened, and it's only the size of the knife that it holds back, because you can't really cut. Oh, you can actually, if you're very careful, you can actually cut paper. Let's try with the front. That actually worked too. That's amazing. So you see, this is a really nicely made knife, very small, very inconspicuous. I think it's a bit sad that Fura used their only M390 steel on a knife that's less practical than many others. But still, I like this knife a great deal, even to just have in my pocket when I'm at home, and when I receive a package I can open it right away. That's mostly what I use it for. When I go out I seldom carry this one. But as I said, it's very nicely made with M390 steel. The the frame lock, as you can see, is very early on, and the detent sucks it right in. It's a really nice knife if you're in the mood for something a bit different, then you might wanna grab this. I'll put the affiliate links in the description if you want to grab one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to be informed about future videos, please subscribe to the channel and you'll always see my new videos in your subscription feed. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. Have a great day and bye bye.